Unlocking English, Understanding Background Knowledge. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another video in our series about learning English. Today, we are going to delve into a crucial strategy for boosting your listening comprehension, using background knowledge to make inferences. So, what exactly is background knowledge? How can it be helpful? Let's find out. Background knowledge, in the context of language learning, refers to all the information and experiences you already possess before you engage in a new learning activity. It can be about culture, historical events, societal norms, or even common phrases used in that language. Your background knowledge is like your personal library that you use to understand new information and connect it to what you already know. When we talk about the role of background knowledge in language learning, think of it like connecting the dots. The new information is the new dot, and your background knowledge helps you to connect this new dot to the existing pattern. For example, if you hear the word beach, you immediately think about sand, sea, sun, vacation, etc. These associations help you understand and predict what might come next in the conversation or text. Inferencing is about using your background knowledge to read between the lines. Even when you can't understand every word in a conversation or a text, you can still understand the main ideas by making educated guesses based on what you already know and the context in which the information is presented. The more extensive and varied your background knowledge, the better you will be at understanding and using the English language. Reading widely, exposing yourself to different cultural experiences, and staying curious about the world can all help enhance your background knowledge. That's all for today. We hope this video gave you a better understanding of what background knowledge is and how it plays a key role in learning English. Remember, your existing knowledge is a powerful tool. Don't forget to tune in to our next video where we will explore more about inferencing and drawing conclusions. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring.